Good morning, traders. Welcome back. Wednesday today. We're opening up the day. Very excited to be here. Bulletproof Traders. We're talking about our portfolio breakdown, Forex and cryptocurrency market for the day. Sponsored by InstaForex, by the way. This is a partnership that we have with InstaForex promoting our PAMM service, account service. Where traders, investors can just hook up to our activity in real time and benefit from our experience, of course. Let's go right at it, dive right in. Cryptocurrency market, we're bullish on the market as a whole via 4 positions. Now, we already took a nice profit on the Ethereum when it hit 32.16. Right, we took half of the position out. That was a nice profit taken on that spot to the very last point. That was quite amazing. Now, price action had been dropping for 3 days, for two and a half days, which we kind of saw it coming, right? That's why we took profit at 32.16, and hopefully it will come back up again, and we'll double up our position size. Polkadot, not too much to write home about. Slight profit on this position, a tiny profit, nothing to write home about. Again, we're waiting for the market and the Polkadot to pick up the pace here on the way up. Today we talked about the Litecoin situation in the main video and cryptocurrency section. Here, guys, also hovering around break-even point, 2 trades in. We're waiting for the breakout on 83.74. Once price action starts to crack that level and start base itself above that area, that's where we're gonna get more aggressive, put the pedal to the metal, and chase that move upwards. Last position, 4th position, is the Bitcoin. We've done really well here, guys, because we started off right at the bottom. As price action was turning around, we pulled the trigger the first time, and we got more aggressive, pulled the trigger the second time, the third time, the 4th time, and even the 5th time, right? And we were aiming at 65.393 and also 70.764. So when price action hit 65.393, we took out more than half of the position. Took a lot of profit home, kept 2 trades in, expecting a technical correction, which is exactly what's happening. And we actually said that we expect a technical correction to end around 61.949. Price action might test that area, so that's where we plan to pick it back up, re-increase our position size, and start the second stage of that move towards 77.64. That's what's happening on the cryptocurrency front. That's probably a good time to segue to the cryptocurrency, to the Forex market, of course, where we have four positions here, guys. 4 active positions, Forex market. Let's see what we're talking about. The new one, the latest edition, short position on the Aussie versus the Swiss franc. All right, this one is hitting a massive resistance level, which is 0.5999. We can call it 0.6. And take a look, it's pulling back down. Let me clear it up a little bit so we can clearly see what's happening with price action. So here it is. There's a pullback, right? Take a look. Talking about this week, there's a pullback from 0.6. And I have a strong feeling price action is on its way down, turning around. This is how it looks like from the daily perspective. Still very, very early stages that move, right? Starting off with the stop loss level at 0.6030, and we're aiming eventually we're going to try to target 0.56. That's long term, medium to long term, I would say, right? But on the way, a few more targets that we're going to definitely take under consideration. The first one would be 59.35. Later down the road, 58.49. That's a primary one. 58.49. That's where our take profit order is right there at this point. And again, like I said, 56.82. So Aussie Swiss franc, new short position, new position on the dollar Canadian. It's new, but it's not really new. It's the same conviction we had on the dollar Canadian ever since early 2024. And we had a lot of success coming up to 38, but we think there's more. Which we want to squeeze that lemon all the way through, and we feel like there's another stage here missing a move to 40.69, and I think it's coming. So you already pulled the trigger. As price action starts to break through 38, that's where we're gonna be more aggressive, opening fire and increasing our position size. So that's the second one. Third one, Euro Swiss franc already took profit here as well when we hit 97.93 about a week ago, right? Took profit here because we started off at 96.90, around 96.80, 90, right? So we took profit 97.93. We expected a technical correction, and now we're doubling down after the technical correction is over. Price action is back on the upside. We feel like there's a breakout coming. And it's once we have that breakout, it's going to 99.34 at the very minimum. Stop loss level 96.50. Last but not least, Aussie Canadian. We had tons of success with the Aussie Canadian, cruising all the way to 90.34. Took a lot of profit. Actually, we closed out the position entirely at 90.34. Took a lot of profit home, but then we noticed it broke through, so we jumped back in. Simple as jump back in because we think there's the last stretch would be a move to 91.40, a Fibonacci projection level, and also where the previous major high is, give or take. So we think that's the last stop for that particular bullish move, and we want to try to catch that one just as well. So we're back into position with the Aussie Canadian, a stop loss level 89.30, target, like I said, 91.40. Guys, that's about that for this one for today. Hope you enjoyed that portfolio breakdown, sponsored by Bulletproof Traders Incorporation in partnership with InstaForex, promoting our PAMM account service for traders and investors who want to hook up with our trading activity in real time and benefit from the action. That's about that. See you next time. Take care. Cheers.